Yeah. Hi. Good evening.
What we heard is that the Talwar lawyers have actually, asked, saying that Talwar won't see the film before it releases.
Do they? This is a new development? I'm not aware of this yet. Is that right? Possibly. I've actually been still finishing the film, trying to get my theatrical print ready before we leave. So I've not been in touch with what's going on in the news. But if that is the case, we are leaving for Toronto tonight. We will be back, I think, in another 7 days. So we're glad to show the film to whoever wants to see it. Like I said, I mean, if there's anything I can vouch for, it's the integrity of this film. So, it's fine.
A lot of films are based on real life incidents.
Yes.
But you've gone a little further and you've named the film Talwar itself. What were the kind of legal hassles that you anticipated? Have you already taken any precautions to protect yourself from any stays against your film that might crop up near the release?
See, if one thinks about all these things and starts getting cynical or precautious, you'll somewhere start affecting the integrity of the film or the intention with which you wanted to make the film in the first place. अगर इतना ही घबराना है तो फिर इस तरह की सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर फिल्म बनाना ही नहीं चाहिए. Having said that, yes, it is based on a true incident, but because it's a film, we've had to take certain cinematic liberties. सर्टन कैरेक्टर्स जिनके बारे में हमको बहुत ज़्यादा पता नहीं है, लेकिन हमको फिल्म में वन डायमेंशनल कैरेक्टर के बजाय मल्टी डायमेंशनल एक कैरेक्टर को बहुत सारे डायमेंशंस देने पड़ते हैं. तो उनकी पर्सनल ट्रेजेक्ट्री, उनके मैनरिज्म्स, उनके लाइक्स डिसलाइक्स, दीज थिंग्स वी हैव टू फिक्शनलाइज, विच इज़ द रीज़न वाई द नेम्स इन दिस फिल्म आर फिक्शनल. तलवार जिसका बार बार मुझसे पूछा जाता है, वाई इज़ दिस द टाइटल, दिस इज़ द स्वॉर्ड, not the surname. It's the sword in the hand of the Statue of Justice. That is the talwar that we talk about.
Right. And also, I want to ask you the Sheena Bora murder case that's happening currently.
Ji.
Has some uncanny resemblances with, the Arushi Talwar case. The
Ji.
police are the main suspects. The top cop has been removed in both the cases.
Ji.
So, have you been following the Sheena Bora case?
Well, like I said, I've actually been quite out of touch. Whatever, thoda bahut I know about it, but I haven't been really tracking it diligently because honestly I don't have the time right now. It was important for me to finish my film and get my print ready for our theatrical release in India and around the world. But yes, broadly one can understand that a lot of parallels bilkul samne se, they jump forward. One is obviously the public and the media interest in the story. Again, I say, and I said this about the Arushi case as well, कि अगर आरुषि केस में कहानी वहीं ख़त्म हो गई होती कि जो आपके घर में काम कर रहा था वो बच्ची को मार के भाग गया, तो उसमें इतनी इंटरेस्ट नहीं होती. जिस तरह से शीना बोरा के मर्डर में अगर ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन ये बोलती कि द ड्राइवर वॉज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, तब भी उसमें इतनी इंटरेस्ट नहीं होती. It's because the mother came into play that the interest and the scandalousness nature of the case came forward. That is a very obvious parallel. Again, हमारी theories investigation ख़त्म होने से पहले शुरू हो जाती हैं, मीडिया में, पब्लिक में, हम घर में डिस्कस करते हैं. This is again a big similarity, and yes, of course, हमारी फिल्म में अश्विन कुमार जो कैरेक्टर हैं, जो इरफान खान निभा रहे हैं, वो भी केस से हटाए जाते हैं in between the investigation, just like Mr. Maria has been. So, and we didn't plan this. For this case to come up when our film was releasing, I don't think anyone could have planned this. It is unfortunate that it's playing out this way.
And just the last question. Does it even have an open ending, like a lot of unsolved mysteries, considering the case that's going on?
Well,
Does it even have a finite ending, or is it?
Well, an ending is finite always, otherwise it wouldn't be an end. What I can say is the film does end. It is not a film without an end. But if you ask me whether the film draws a conclusion to something, that it does not do. What it does is it takes the audience up to a point where they are fairly well informed to come to their own conclusion. Okay, yeah.
जिस तरह का ये घटनाक्रम है
जी।
जैसे फिल्म अभी फॉर्म
जी
उसमें एक बात है कि इसके बारे में मीडिया ने या जिस तरह से खबरों ने उसमें सबको बहुत कुछ याद
जी
तो जोखिम किस तरह का था इस तरह के सब्जेक्ट पे काम करने का क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं कि आपको उसकी फिक्र करनी है।
जी इसमें एक्चुअली क्योंकि सबको और मीडिया को इतना कुछ याद था तो इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत ही आसानी से मिल गया। हमारे फिल्म में जितना भी कंटेंट है वो सब कुछ पब्लिक डोमेन में रेडिली अवेलेबल है। तो उससे आसानी बहुत हुई, लेकिन जिस तरह से इस मर्डर के 2 थियरीज़ हैं, 2 सस्पेक्ट्स हैं, 2 अलग अलग मर्डर वेपन्स हैं, उस तरह से जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती थी उसके भी कई वर्जन्स होते थे। और तब जाके एक्चुअली समझ में आया कि अगर इस केस के बारे में फ़िल्म बनानी है तो फिर ये जो 2 पहलू हैं इनको इक्वली ट्रीट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, वरना ये एक पार्शल फिल्म हो जाएगी और ये हमारी ना नियत थी ना हमारी सेंसिबिलिटी है। तो मुश्किल इस बात की हुई कि वो ऑब्जेक्टिविटी जो है, एक न्यूट्रलिटी जो है, उसको मेंटेन रखना थ्रू आउट। चाहे आप कोई भी सीन फिल्म कर रहे हो, एज अ डायरेक्टर, एज अ परफॉर्मर, डोंट लेट योर इमोशंस लीन ऑन आइदर साइड, वरना वो फिल्म में कहीं ना कहीं जाके दिखेगा। या That would have happened if I'd seen the film, which I haven't yet. But even so, like I say to a lot of people who ask me this question, if one is afraid of what other kind of films are being made, then I don't think we would have made more than one love story in our industry. So every film comes with its own sensibility, and that leads to the way you execute the film. Yeah. Ji.
Besides the fact that you had to add dimensions to characters
Ji.
where you might have found none in reality,
Mm-hmm.
have you also introduced entirely new characters which don't exist in the real story?
Not really, no. What we may have done is, if according to the real timeline, if you remember what happened in the initial days of the investigation, 3 police officers who were in charge of the investigation were repeatedly transferred. And if we have to do that as authentically in the film, we will be having so many characters that you will not be able to identify with either one. So, like I said, sometimes you have to take certain cinematic liberties to keep your material and your content clear. So what we've actually done is probably amalgamated 2 or 3 characters into one rather than add fictional characters.
That often happens. What you're suggesting is that some characters are composites of similar characters.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. That's actually as far as we've gone with this. Yeah.
There are so many cases where honor killing is concerned.
Mhm.
Where do you think the safety of children is at this point in the society?
Well, this is actually a very layered question. For me personally, if you ask me, honor killing occurs much later in the life of a girl or a boy. Let's start with female feticide, where you don't even give a child a chance to be born. If you want to question something, let's start there. Because if you're not even going to give a child a right to life, what are we complaining about honor killing for? Yeah. Yeah. जी नहीं, प्रिंट में फ़र्क सिर्फ इतना है कि जो फिल्म फेस्टिवल में प्रिंट जाती है उसमें हमारे मार्केटिंग टाई अप्स, सैटेलाइट पार्टनर्स, एट्सेट्रा, सेंसर सर्टिफिकेट, ये सब चीज़ें नहीं जाती हैं और वो हमारी थिएट्रिकल प्रिंट में जाती हैं। तो इसलिए ये इतना वक्त लगा रहे हैं मुझे मटेरियल देने में कि मेरी प्रिंट अभी तक तैयार नहीं हुई है। देखिए, हर फिल्म मेकर की तरह मैं भी वही एक्सपेक्ट करूँगी कि जितनी मेहनत से, जितनी शिद्दत से हमने ये फ़िल्म बनाई है, ये उतने ही उत्साह के साथ एक्सेप्ट की जाए। लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि ये कहानी को जितनी दूर पहुंचा सके उतनी दूर पहुंचे, एंड फॉर दैट आई थिंक जो टोरंटो फिल्म फेस्टिवल का प्लेटफॉर्म है, इट्स बिन अ वेरी वेरी बिग ब्लेसिंग फॉर अ फिल्म लाइक दिस, बिकॉज इट रेजेस द फिल्म टू अ हायर विजिबिलिटी, which I think is important for a film like this. इरफान खान साहब आएंगे वहाँ जी.
Now the film of No One Till Jessica,
Hmm.
the whole case was reopened
Hmm.
and culprits were brought to the front.
Hmm.
So with Talwar, do you expect something of that sort to happen? What is the kind of reaction that you think you will get?
And if I say my wishes out aloud, they're not going to come true. No, but I think Talwar's most basic intention is that let's the unanswered questions that I keep talking about, let's give them a voice. Let those questions get a voice. Let's start at least trying to walk on the journey of closure, if not